Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to a Samsung TV. We'll start by exploring the most common and convenient method, AirPlay. This allows for seamless wireless screen mirroring, letting you share photos, videos, and even your entire iPhone screen directly onto your television. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your mobile content on a much larger display with minimal effort. Get ready to transform your viewing experience. To set up AirPlay, first ensure both your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. From the list, select your Samsung TV. If prompted, enter the 4-digit passcode displayed on your television screen. You should now see your iPhone's display mirrored. If AirPlay isn't an option, consider a wired connection using a Lightning digital AV adapter. Simply plug the adapter into your iPhone's Lightning port, then connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to your TV. Alternatively, the Samsung SmartThings app offers another way to share content and control your TV. Download it, connect your devices, and explore its features for a different kind of interaction. Some third-party apps also provide mirroring capabilities. Encountering issues? First, double-check that both your iPhone and Samsung TV are on the identical Wi-Fi network. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your TV's software and iPhone's iOS are fully updated for the best compatibility and performance. For wired connections, always confirm your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. These simple steps can fix most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.